Before you build anything with AI, watch this. Today we're comparing LangChain and Semantic Kernel. Both LangChain and Semantic Kernel are frameworks for building AI applications. They help you connect LLMs with tools, data, and workflows. Let's start with LangChain. LangChain is one of the most popular AI frameworks right now. It lets you build chains, agents, and workflows using different models. It's very flexible and has a huge community. Now, semantic kernel. Semantic kernel is built by Microsoft. It focuses more on structured AI workflows and integrations. It works really well with enterprise apps and Microsoft services. Here's the main difference. LangChain is more flexible and widely used. Semantic kernel is more structured and enterprise focused. Looking at features, LangChain offers agents, memory, tool integration, and lots of extensions. Semantic kernel offers planners, plugins, and strong integration with .NET and Azure. In terms of ease of use, LangChain can feel complex because it has so many features. Semantic kernel is more organized but depends on your tech stack. Now, performance and use case. LangChain is great for experimentation and rapid prototyping. Semantic kernel is better for production systems, especially in enterprise environments. Now, pricing. Both are open source frameworks. Your cost depends on the models and infrastructure you use. So, LangChain is better for flexibility and community support. Semantic kernel is better for structured production ready systems. So, which one should you choose? Choose LangChain if you want flexibility and fast experimentation. Choose semantic kernel if you are building structured apps, especially with Microsoft tools. Both are powerful. It depends on your use case. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.